Hello and welcome. My name is Liz. For those that don't know me, I have decided that I'm going to do a 7-day training series for you guys on Canva. So let's get started and jump in with our video. I'm going to share my screen with you. So let's go. Hello and welcome back. So in this video, I wanted to show you one of my favorite tips for designing in Canva. And that is to use the transparency feature. So let's just say we're going to drag in a photo, and this is going to be our background for designing something. So once you click on the document, you've got your transparency up here. So I like to put things in the background so that it just breaks it up a bit. So you might have maybe like 20% there, and then you're going to design over the top of that. So that's one way to do it. There's also another way which I like as well, which is I like to put a background color here. So let's just say we're using this bluey grey color as a background. And then I still like this picture, so we're going to go over the top of that. I'm going to use this transparency. You see how now it's got that bluish sort of tinge to it? So it sort of changed the color of that picture from being white to now having like a blue color behind it. So I like to use that in designs because that helps me to color match everything a lot better. But also, once I set all of this up in templates, I can then use that styles function and all of this will change. So if I go back to styles and I was to select a different palette, see how the background is changing colors. That's like the white. But as I go through and design things, if I change the brand kit and the style to make more products, that will change as well, and it'll be color matched. So I like to use the transparency feature quite a bit in designs. You can then put everything over it that you normally would. The transparency is not going to affect anything else in your design, as long as you're just clicking on that this one section and then doing transparent. You can also add in more pictures. So I'm not going to put a grid or anything in at the moment, but if I was to just put in a picture, click on it, and then I can adjust the transparency of that too. So, and it's not going to affect the transparency of the one behind. So yeah, it's one of the things that I like in designing, because it gives it this beautiful background, but it's sort of like, it's not overpowering, and it keeps it pretty simple. So I really like to use the transparency in designing, and I think that yeah, it does come across as really professional whenever it's done just to a nice pale but not plain boring background, if that makes sense. So I hope that this helps you if you're not sure how to use the transparency. Now you do. If you've got any questions, drop them below, and tomorrow we're going to go through working with layers. Okay, see you then. I hope that this video has helped you, and if you are enjoying it and you'd like to see some more, please like and subscribe and follow along with this series. I will drop a playlist at the end here so that you can find the rest of the videos. Have a great day.